Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more banking comparisons. Here at Rome Tech, we're comparing HSBC USA and Regions Bank to help you choose the right bank for your needs. Links to both banks are in the description below. Let's explore their features and determine which customer profile each bank best serves. HSBC USA is a global banking giant with a significant international presence. It provides a comprehensive suite of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. A key advantage of HSBC is its robust international banking infrastructure. If you're a frequent international traveler or conduct business across borders, HSBC's global network makes it an excellent choice. Features like the HSBC Premier account offer perks such as dedicated customer support, reduced fees on international transactions, and worldwide ATM access. However, HSBC's physical branch network is limited within the United States, primarily concentrated along the coasts. This may be inconvenient if you prefer in-person banking services. Furthermore, certain accounts have substantial fees unless specific requirements are met, such as maintaining a minimum balance. Alternatively, Regions Bank is a regional bank with a strong presence across the southeastern United States, boasting numerous branches in several states. It's an ideal option for customers who value in-person banking and easy access to physical locations. Regions Bank offers a variety of checking and savings accounts tailored to different financial needs, including several low-fee options. Their Regions Life Green checking account, for example, is a good choice for fee-free banking, though it may have minimum balance requirements. Regions Bank is also recognized for its customer-centric approach, offering helpful budgeting tools, responsive customer service, and a diverse range of loan products with competitive interest rates. To summarize, if you require global banking capabilities and are comfortable with limited physical branch access, HSBC USA is likely the better choice. If you prioritize regional accessibility, robust customer service, and low-fee banking options, Regions Bank may be a better fit. Explore the links in the description to learn more about both banks and select the one that best aligns with your financial objectives.